Hey guys, what's up? First of all, I'd like to thank each and every one of you. Right now, it's the early days of my channel, and I only have around 78 subscribers so far. But I really appreciate all 78 of you, and it what keeps me motivated in making these videos, because I know that at least a few people are enjoying my videos and enjoy them enough to subscribe to my channel. So again, thank you to each and every one of you. So my goal is, of course, to first milestone is going to be reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this and you're not a subscriber yet, please hit on that subscribe button. And if you are a subscriber, please tell your friends that this crazy guy on YouTube is doing all these kinds of videos, and maybe they'd want to subscribe too. I'm gonna be starting posting some of my raw flight videos. So these have not been cut or edited. So these are just straight videos, and right now I'm at that point where I can actually fly and not crash for at least like a minute and a half, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and finish one lipo pack or one battery. And that's why for now we're calling this One Pack Wednesday, where every Wednesday I'm going to be posting a new video, which is just one flight until either the battery dies or I crash or somehow in the end. But again, right now I'm at that point where I don't crash so early on in the flight, and I can get like 2 minutes in, 3 minutes in before I crash, or by that time the battery's dead anyway, so it's fine. A lot of times these are just gonna be like me just doing some drills, because I'm gonna be coming out with how not to suck at FPV series of videos which teaches you how to fly, but from my perspective as a beginner. So a lot of these flights that I'm doing, these are just drills. I know it takes a lot of hours to get to the level of Mr. Steele, Umagod, and every one of those top tier pilots. So we have to start somewhere, and what we're doing is we're just putting in the hours, putting in the work. It's great because at least you guys watching here on YouTube will get to follow me along on my journey as I improve my skills, and I'm sure both of us are going to appreciate even all of those crashes, learning from all of those mistakes, and then eventually we'll just realize, wow, I'm a better pilot than I was last week or last month, right? So we're gonna be starting off today with One Pack Wednesday, but who knows? Might do Fridays and Saturdays as well, because I'm flying more often these days. I found closer fields to me, 20 minutes away from here, and then just fly. So maybe we'll do something like that. But for now, here's One Pack Wednesday number 1.
When you call my name, I will be circled. Your eyes cry. Your eyes cry. Darker than the devil, we've been hurried the wrong path. Darker than the devil, we've been beautiful as describe.